Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the camera on your Galaxy Watch. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch is properly paired with your smartphone. This connection is essential for the camera control feature to work seamlessly. Next, simply open the camera controller application directly on your watch. Once launched, this clever app will automatically activate the camera on your connected phone, preparing it for remote operation. Taking photos and videos is incredibly straightforward. To capture a still image, just tap the prominent shutter button displayed on your watch screen. If you wish to switch between taking photos and recording videos, simply swipe up or down on the watch display. When in video mode, a distinct record button will appear. Tap it once to begin recording and tap it again to stop, capturing your moments effortlessly. Your Galaxy Watch also allows for quick adjustments to camera settings. To access these options, simply tap the small gear icon visible on your watch display. You can easily control the zoom level by performing a pinch-in or pinch-out gesture directly on the watch screen, giving you precise control. Furthermore, you can set a convenient timer for 2, 5, or even 10 seconds, perfect for group shots or when you need a moment to pose. After capturing your desired content, all your photos and videos will be saved directly to your smartphone's gallery, ready for review and sharing. When you are finished using the remote camera function, simply press the back button on your Galaxy Watch to exit the camera controller application. This feature offers incredible convenience, allowing you to capture moments hands-free and with ease right from your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.